the faulty design of this riverfront development project which is going on in Pune. So in couple of stretches it is already the work is in the advanced stages.
We are near this Baner area, near the Jupiter Hospital, where there is a confluence of Mula River and Ramnadi River. And what they have done is in just 2-3 days, they have done so much of I would say soil, and they have started this construction work here.
और इस साल जून में that is 26 जून 2024 को ऑनरेबल बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने PIL नंबर 36 ऑफ 2021 पे एक इंटरिम ऑर्डर पास किया कि पुणे के जो फ्लड लाइन्स हैं ये नए से साइंटिफिक तरीके से और क्लाइमेट चेंज के जो आने वाले फैक्टर्स हैं जैसे कि क्लाउड बर्स्ट इवेंट्स, हाई इंटेंसिटी रेनफॉल, इन सबको कंसिडर करके और फ्री कैचमेंट एरिया का जो फ्लो है इसको भी कंसिडर करके नए से रेड फ्लड लाइन और ब्लू फ्लड लाइन पुणे के सारे नदियों के लिए डिमार्केट किए जाने चाहिए.
This whole river banks were defined by nature. Okay, human beings are defining new lines, but what we should do is respect the lines by nature. They are based on so many years. As a matter of fact, Mula and Mutha are older than many of the Himalayan rivers.
That Mula River, they have already constructed that river, and that Ramnadi, the other river, where the flow, the natural flow, they have changed. So this is unacceptable.
See, these places are the places where maximum groundwater recharge takes place. So when we do this dumping, they put a plastic like geotextile onto this, and then they do the pitching of the stones, and after that they make the lawn above this. So this surface, which is completely pervious surface, becomes impervious for the water, and it blocks all the live springs. Certain organizations have mapped how many springs are there into this zone.
Breaking it, making it cement concrete, not only increases our carbon emission, but our carbon resilience, as they call it. If you see the total emissions of the whole world, 50% of those emissions are either absorbed by the ocean or by the land use. And if we destroy this, the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere will go dangerously more, and it will stay there for next 200 years, destroying all the civilizations on the planet.
पुण्याचे नागरिक बघता आहेत की पावसाचं प्रमाण वाढत चाललेलं आहे. म्हणजे जेव्हा पाऊस पडतो तेव्हा खूप जास्ती पाऊस पडतो. अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये पुणे शहर जिथे 5 नद्या आहेत शहराच्या आजूबाजूला, ह्या नद्यांमध्ये पाणी वाहण्याची क्षमता वाढवण्याची गरज आहे. असं असताना पुणे महानगरपालिका, पिंपरी चिंचवड महानगरपालिका ह्या सगळ्यांनी पुण्याच्या नद्यांची पात्र अरुंद करण्याचा घाट घातलेला आहे, आणि हे शास्त्रीयदृष्ट्या अत्यंत चुकीचं आहे, लोकांच्या दृष्टीने अत्यंत घातक आहे, हे मला दिसतं आहे. म्हणून मी पुणे रिव्हर रिवायवल ह्या चळवळीशी जोडली गेले आणि त्यासाठी मी आज इथे आले.
Of course, we want development. We do not want a dirty and a stinking river. But what we should focus on is we should focus on cleaning. The river bank should be clean. The river water should be clean. It should be properly treated. It should be pollution free, and that's all. You don't need to destroy anything.
RFD हो, रिवर फ्रंट डेवलपमेंट जो एक्चुअली रिवर फ्रंट डिस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट है, या STP लाइंस के पाइपलाइंस के लिए हो, नदी के बेड में, नदी बैंक्स पे बेड में या फिर रिवर बैंक्स पे कोई भी प्रकार का डिस्ट्रक्शन करना, कंस्ट्रक्शन करना, ये पूरा वर्जित है.
Is because of the increased population density, more and more groundwater is being taken out. There is concretization across the city, which means that water is not percolating down. And in the rivers, we are putting untreated sewage. We are also constricting the rivers. We are blocking the natural springs. So where is the water going to come from? As the population is increasing, Pune city has been sort of it was known for its good environment and no water scarcity, abundance of water availability. All of that is going to disappear in the next 3 to 4 years.
From the citizens' point of view, these places are basically the flood mitigation zones. It absorbs the floods during the monsoon. When these rivers, there is a dam discharge plus there is a surface runoff coming from the city. So as you can see, this is on one bank there is completely very pristine grassland kind of system. On the other bank you can see a lot of trees and greenery is there, which is our best protection against the flood. So this is going to go. Then as you can see, the dumping is almost inside the flood lines, just on the bank where the water ends. There also, or sometimes it is somewhere you can see they are coming inside the river also. So they are constricting the cross section of this river, which will make the city flood prone.
The urban planning should be in line with what changes climate change is going to bring in. It is actually going in the opposite direction. So the impacts of climate change are being amplified by wrong urban policy.
Already we have an incidence of Jupiter Hospital just few years back, when one floor of Jupiter Hospital was completely underwater. Now one cannot imagine what will happen if they do this dumping on both sides of these banks. So this is clearly a great threat for the people residing in this area.
लोकांनी नदीकाठी येऊन पाहायला हवं. केवळ आपण पुलांवर न जाता येता खाली बघतो आणि खाली आपल्याला सांडपाणी दिसतं आणि म्हणून नदी स्वच्छ व्हायला हवी असं कुठेतरी एक वेगळी डोक्यामध्ये असतं. आणि म्हणून जेव्हा सरकारकडनं काही प्रकल्प येतात, एक छान छान कल्पना चित्र दाखवली जातात की असे किनारे स्वच्छ होणार आहेत आणि फिरायला जागा होणार आहे वगैरे. परंतु शहराचा तो काही भाग सोडला तर बाकीच्या भागामध्ये आत्ता आपल्याला इथे दिसतही आहे की नैसर्गिकरित्या नदी आहे आणि ती कशी असायला हवी. म्हणजे शहराच्या भागामध्ये सुद्धा पुलांखाली आपल्याला अशी वनश्री निर्माण करण्याचा प्रकल्प करायला हवा आहे. त्यांनी नद्यांमध्येही सुधारणा होणार आहे. जे शहराचं तापमान वाढतं आहे ते कमी होईल आणि फिरण्यासाठी पण चांगली जागा निर्माण होणार आहे. त्यामुळे आपल्याला काय हवं आहे हे डोळसपणे आणि शास्त्रशुद्ध पद्धतीने विचार करून, विज्ञानाचा विचार त्याच्यामध्ये जास्ती घेऊन आपण ठरवायला हवंय नागरिक म्हणून.
There is one more project which is lying idle since last 8 years, which is called Zyka project, which was for cleaning the water, which was building the new sewage treatment plants. So we are asking the government, why not complete that project first, which is the real rejuvenation project, and then after proper study of impact of such interventions on the flood situation, on the groundwater situation, on these ecosystems and aquatic life into this, then you can do this particular project.